Right now, inside your skull, a construction crew is at work. And you're the foreman. For a long time, scientists thought the adult brain was mostly fixed. Once you grew up, they believed, the wiring was set. We now know that's not true.
This ability to change is called neuroplasticity. Your brain can strengthen, weaken, and reorganize connections as you learn and experience new things. Think of every new skill as opening a trail through a forest. The more you use that trail, the easier it becomes to follow.
But your brain doesn't keep every connection. It also removes connections you rarely use. This process is called synaptic pruning. Pruning helps your brain reduce unnecessary connections and make important networks more efficient. So your brain isn't simply losing connections. It's refining its wiring, trading unnecessary clutter for efficiency. And the pathways you use can gain another advantage: myelin, an insulating layer that forms around many axons.
With practice, the circuits involved in a skill can become more efficient, including changes in myelination. Myelin helps electrical signals travel faster and more reliably along the axon.
That's why practice does more than improve your performance. Over time, it can help reshape the brain circuits behind the skill. And something else happens with repetition. Actions that once demanded your full attention can become much more automatic.
Habit learning involves circuits deep inside the brain, including the basal ganglia, which helps us perform well-practiced behaviors with less conscious effort.
This idea connects to a famous principle in neuroscience. Neurons that fire together can strengthen their connections.
And that explains why breaking a habit can feel so difficult. You're trying to change a pathway your brain has practiced again and again.
So when learning feels difficult, don't mistake the struggle for failure. Your brain is adapting to the challenge.
You aren't locked into one unchanging brain. Your experiences can help shape the brain you have tomorrow. Your habits aren't just things you do, they help shape your brain. So ask yourself, what are you building today?